Okay, I'm actually going to do these in pencil because it's harder, or it's easier to mess up, and so I want to make sure that if I write something crazy, I can get rid of it. So when I'm looking at 36, the first thing is I'm dividing by x, so I can't divide by 0. So that's my excluded value. Now, we want to get rid of the denominator. So here I've got x, so I'm going to multiply this by x. If I multiply that, I have to multiply everything else by x also. So I have x times x is x squared. Those cancel out, minus 10 equals 3x. Now I want to set it equal to 0, so minus 3x minus 3x. So x squared minus 3x, oops, minus 10 equals 0. Let's factor. So negative 10, negative 3, 2 and 5, negative 5. So x plus 2 times x minus 5 equals 0. Now my x just is opposite of that, negative 2 or positive 5. You can put squiggly brackets if you want, but it's okay. Okay, 37. Looking x plus 1, x plus 4. X can't be negative 1 or negative 4, or I would be dividing by 0. Now, put those in parentheses. This side, to get rid of that, I'm going to multiply by x plus 1. I do that on both sides. My x plus 1 goes away. Now, I need to also multiply by x plus 4, because I need x plus 4 to go away. But I can do that over here, x plus 4. So I have 5 times x plus 4 equals 2 times x plus 1. We're just going to solve for x. So 5x plus 20 equals 2x plus 2. Minus 2x minus 2x. So 3x plus 20 equals 2. Sorry, minus 20. I skipped a step in my head. 3x equals negative 18, and then divide by 3. So x equals negative 6. That's not an excluded value, so we're good. Okay, 38. X plus 2. I have 2x plus 4 and 2x plus 4. So let's write that as 2 times x plus 2. Okay, now, I'll put that in parentheses. I need to multiply all of these by x plus 2. Okay, what happens is that marks out, so does that, and so does that. Now the only thing I have left in the denominator is 2, so I'm going to multiply everything by 2. Times 2 times 2. That marks out, so does that. So I'm left with 2 times 3 plus 3 equals x. 2 times 3, I get 6 plus 3 equals x, or x equals 9. I meant to put this up here. The only thing it couldn't be was negative 2. So we're good. Okay, 39. We have x squared minus 4. So I'm going to come over here and do it. Negative 4, 0, 2, negative 2. So this is actually x plus 2, x minus 2. X plus 2, x minus 2. So the first thing, I'm just going to multiply everything by x plus 2. Let's just go out on a limb. X plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 2. Okay, that goes away, that does, and that does. The only thing I have left on the bottom now is x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2. Cancels out here. Doesn't there, it does there. So on this side, all I have left is 8x. Don't forget that this is negative 4. I'm going to put plus minus just in case. Negative 4 times x minus 2 equals 8. So 8x minus 4x plus 8 equals 0 equals 8. Sorry. Equals 8. So I get 4x plus 8 equals 8. 4x equals 0, or x equals 0. Now if I looked up here, plus 2 minus 2, x couldn't be 2 or negative 2. So we're good there. Number 40, x can't be negative 1 or 0. Sorry, I'm flipping around on that. I forget to do it. Okay, here I've got x plus 1, 2x, and x. Well, let's start with x plus 1. It doesn't matter which one we start with. That goes away. Now we have a 2 and an x. So let's multiply by 2x, 2x, 2x. Nothing happens here. The 2x cancels out here, and the x cancels out there. So I have 2x times 3x, or 6. Oops, let me just write it all out. 2x times 3x plus 6 times x plus 1 equals 7 times x plus 1 times 2. Sorry. 2x times 3x, 6x squared plus 6x plus 6 equals, let's say 14 times x plus 1. That way we don't have to rewrite it. So 14x plus 14. Okay, subtract 14x, subtract 14. 6x squared minus 8x minus 8 is 0. And I'm not going to have you factor that. That's my fault, so just leave it there. Number 41, x over 3 minus x minus 4 over 4 equals 2. So let's multiply everything by 3. Okay, that goes away. Let's multiply everything by 4 to get rid of that 4 on the bottom. That goes away. So now I have 4 times x, 4x. I have negative here, x minus 4 and 3. So it's like a negative 3 times x minus 4 equals 2 times 3 times 4. So 4x minus 3x plus 12 is 24. X plus 12 is 24. X equals 12. Now, this one actually didn't have any x's in the denominator, so there are no excluded values.